Hi everyone, I just want to quickly walk you through the new form that we'll be using to gather our research statistics so that we can save Colette some time when she's gathering them for us in January for IPEDS and ACRL. This is the form we were using, so anytime a student came in asking about OneSearch or anytime you were offering any kind of reference to the databases or a librarian, this is where we would record it. So this will be no longer available starting the first day of school, so September 9th. Instead, you'll go to the link I gave you in the email, and you'll get a form, or this form will appear, and you'll put in your username and password for your LibApps, whatever you use for LibGuides. This is the same username and password. And then you'll get this form instead, and you can select the time of the meeting, so how long you talk to the student or faculty member or whoever. I did add staff because sometimes we do get staff members, whether it was virtual or in person, the type of question they ask. So if they're asking about how to access the New York Times, just indicate it by clicking on that box. If you have any questions about that, just let me know.